G'day people, here we are in, where are we? Molawa. Right, give you some of that art as you're coming into town. Molawa. Yeah, we got it right. And here we got sign. It's like you drove past here one day and they were all painting it. Looks pretty neat, doesn't it? So here we are in Yalgoo, and that's the Yalgoo sign. That'll be an old stamper. There's a flywheel, and this used to crush the ore. Probably reckon that'll be the drive. And got the Yalgoo sign. And I'd say that would have been one of the old batteries there. Right, we're in Kew. This is on Robertson Street. Robertson Street just along there. And we've got RV dump points. You're behind the town hall. And look like there's a bit of a skate park there for the kids. This is 48-hour free camping around here. So yeah, just parked up here for one night. I think we'll head out to Big Bell tomorrow, have a look around there. Yeah, it's not bad, pretty level. Pretty hot, eh? Come out of 21 from Jarrow, it's 30, 31 here. Ooh. Right. So here we are on the main street of Kew. Some of the old shops. All seen better days, of course. And you see that chunk of quartz up there behind the old fire station. That's the first place they really found gold in Kew. Bell's Emporium, old store that one, still got the old, what call them, money trolleys, where you send the money and then goes back to the customer and then they get paid a change. That used to be across the road, used to be the old nursing post with all that drawings and all that on the side of the gate. Then you've got the pub down the back there. You've got accommodation, bedding and breakfast here. And here we go. First Murchison Ball. What's this? The Murchison Times. First copy of the Minutes and Times and the Day Dawn Gazette was published in Kew 15 August 1894 at a cost of 6p per copy. Across the road, that used to be the old Commonwealth Bank. And you got the fountain in the middle where the band used to play. Then the club hotel across the road. The old cop shop. Memorial Park. Memorial Park is named after Arthur Stanley Gurney, VC. Good morning. Here we are at Big Bell. This is where we're going to camp tonight. Look at this. Call that a colour? Wow. There's the old church in the background. There we go, the old pub. Wow, just look at this. And this is a campsite here that you can camp for overnight. Look at that. Fire pit. You should see a couple of caravanners around. Look at that. That's amazing. Wildflowers do bring out the best, don't they? All right. Look at the back of me here. Wow. It's pretty strange that you get different colours in different areas. As we're driving over on the road coming to here, and you get patches of yellow and patches of red. Unbelievable. Images of Big Bell in the heyday. What we've got here, historic Big Bell town site. And let's go and have a look in. Yeah, unsafe building, risks of falling objects, do not enter. Shit, that left me hard out at work. I don't know what this is. Looks like a bit of stuff here, isn't it? Probably private quarters or something like that. Little house anyway. fire pot, all the water, wood box. Someone's had a good time. Pink champagne.
Check out the amenities.
Oh! Oh yeah, the old thunderbox. Has been used not that long ago. Right, we're in one of the old churches. And then, look at that. It's the old pub. Goes through there. See the van. Wow. Why do people have to graffiti everything? Those flowers are just taken